you are looking for the most affordable new iPhone to buy, the iPhone 15 might be your best option. I know this looks exactly like the 14, but hear me out. There is quite a significant improvement in the hardware. So right in the box, you are greeted by the phone. This is the blue color. It's a very subtle blue color. The back glass is frosted and not glossy anymore. This reduces fingerprints on the back of the phone. The body is still aluminum for the iPhone 15, and the new titanium is given to the 15 Pro and the Pro Max. Nonetheless, the 15 is 1 gram lighter than the 14. The iPhone 15 has the same camera setup as the iPhone 14, but the 15 has upgraded cameras. The 15 comes with a new 48 megapixel camera, while the 14 has 12 megapixel main camera. They both have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. The 15 comes with a faster A16 Bionic chip, while the 14 comes with the A15 Bionic chip. Honestly, you will not notice the speed difference, but it's an honorable mention for the iPhone 15. The 15 has a slightly bigger 3349 mAh battery and has reverse wired charging, meaning you can plug your iPhone into any other phone and your iPhone will charge it. The 15 has a slightly upgraded display with 2000 nits brightness, while the 14 has a peak brightness of 1200 nits, meaning the 15 will do better when using the phone in the sun. And the iPhone 15 has a dynamic island, which in my opinion is nicer than the notch on the iPhone 14. I don't know why we still do not have a higher refresh rate on the non-Pro iPhones. Apple, please, why? I think the best feature that many will appreciate the 15 series for is the change from Lightning to a Type-C port. Yes, so now you can charge your iPhone with a Type-C cable. This is where my Android frenemies will be coming for me. But yes, these are the major features of the iPhone 15. It goes for about $799. I'm sure you can get a used one which will be much cheaper. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Catch you up in the next one.